Hi guys, Ms. Perkins here. Today we're going to be talking about Module 1, Lesson 21. In this lesson we talk about being able to solve doubles and doubles plus 1 problems. Now, doubles are whenever the parts are the same number. Doubles plus 1 is whenever there's one number and the other part is the same number as that first part, but you added 1 to it. So let's look at this. In class, we talked about a rap that helped us kind of remember doubles, because doubles are just something that we have to just remember. Okay? So I'm going to say the rap for us to where it can help us remember. So it's 0 plus 0 equals 0. Ooh. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Ooh. 2 plus 2 equals 4. More. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Kicks. 4 plus 4 equals 8. That's great. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Again. 6 plus 6 equals 12. Dig and devil. 7 plus 7 equals 14. Let's lean. 8 plus 8 equals 16. You're a queen. 9 plus 9 equals 18. Jelly bean. 10 plus 10 equals 20. That's plenty. So that is the doubles rap. Now let's look at this. 6 plus 6. Well, we know 6 plus 6 equals 12. Dig and devil. So we know that it is 12. 8 plus 8. Remember the rap. It's 8 plus 8 equals 16. You're a queen. And 7 plus 7. Oh, it's 7 plus 7 equals 14. Let's lean. 9. 9 plus 9. 9 plus 9 equals 18. Jelly bean. Now let's look at these double plus ones. Because double plus ones, we use our doubles to help us figure it out, and we just add 1 to that answer. So 2 plus 3. Well, we know that we can use 2 plus 2 to help us out, and then just add 1 more. So we know that 2 plus 2 equals 4. More. So it means 2 plus 2 equals 4. We add 1 more, and that makes it 5. So let's do 6 plus 7. Ooh, I know that. 6 plus 6 equals 12. Dig and devil. So now that means that it's 12. We add 1 more. We know that is 13. Now let's do 3 plus 4. Ooh, I know that 3 plus 3 equals 6. Kicks. Ooh, so we know it equals 6. We add 1 more. We know it's 7. Now let's do 7 plus 8. Ooh, we know that 7 plus 7 equals 14. Let's lean. So 14, we add 1 more. We know that is 15. Alright guys, I hope that this little rap helped you guys be able to kind of remember these doubles facts. Alright.